Who can step up the best next year?
How we doing, guys? Pretty good. So you guys the White Mustang brothers then? I know you switched cars now, but yeah. What do you got now?
72 split bumper Camaro.
Okay, yeah. And how's your car doing, Chuck? You did any mods to it lately?
It needs a few upgrades. It's badass for the street.
Yeah.
For No Club Kings, I've been left behind.
Okay.
It doesn't have enough horsepower.
Oh, really?
Run with the top guys, and I'm not the guy that wants to go out there. I'm not okay with 10th place.
I could tell. Yeah.
So I've got to step my game up, and so I've started on a new car.
Oh, really?
And a new engine program, and so and it'll be strictly for No Club Kings.
Yeah. Any details you can give me about it?
It will be a Fox body.
Will be a Fox body?
It will be a Fox body.
Hopefully with the big block, right?
It will have a small block.
Oh, a small block. Build small block? Okay.
I'm 405 for life. I am small block for life.
Big cube small block then,
If I
yeah.
do the same thing everybody else does, then.
Yeah, exactly.
But if I can set the world on fire with a small block, now I've done something.
You know, I like that Varley guy. He was kind of a jerk. But anyhow, I like that he had the Ford. Yeah. Yeah, I could see him yelling. Yeah, man, he was bipolar or something like that. But I like that he had the big black Ford in his car. So, thanks, guys. Can I get an autograph from you too?
You bet, buddy.
All right.
Enjoy the show.
Thank you.
Take it easy, man.
Did you sign this one?
Yeah.
Oh, I see you're using silver. I was looking for black. All right. Thanks, guys.
See you, man.
Yep. All right, I saw Big Chief was here too.
So you know, obviously it's not.
Started out as a garage.
I'm sorry.
I've used a nibbler thing and it worked pretty good.
Big Chief.
You know, Todd's commercial. He came in behind.
They're delivering it.
All right, so I'm going to be giving away these then. Autographed Street Outlaws little poster things. So if you're interested in one, comment below. And once I get like 10 people that are interested or so, or, you know, within a week time frame, if nobody else wants one, I'll send it to you. So.
Here's a new one. Do you need a bag?
Sort of maybe be a wrap or a tack or something that maybe does on purpose.
This engine's cool. I don't know what it is. Looks like it might be from a G2R. Thanks, man. Yeah, it's a fun time. You ought to come out here. I live in Chicago, so it's only 3.5 hours away from me. But it's free. And there's like banquets and stuff you get to go to, parties, beer. Let's take a look at this chassis. Excuse me. Some kind of truck chassis here with QA1 suspension components, tie rods, not tie rods, control arms, sway bars. What do you call this piece again? Torque arm, right? Torque arm, yeah, okay. I thought you were with Mickey Thompson, but your name is Mickey, right?
No, McKinney.
McKinney, okay, gotcha.
No. Who are you with? Hey, sir. Who are you with?
Oh, I'm just, I have a YouTube channel, I do media, so.
Okay, so I'm with the Off-Road Motorsports Youth Foundation.
Yeah? Where are you guys at?
It's and we're displaying the new section and
Okay, so you're in the small booths over. Yeah.
small booths over there.
Okay.
Downtown Boards organization that's making wishes has backing. Got a man Preston with us and started this. It's youth involved in
We're right on the 700. We are.
racing.
Yeah?
We'll be running a trophy truck in 2022.
Trophy truck, wow. Extreme stuff. Yeah.
Being built now. They've got like Millwood brakes because it's good for war and they're running like bikes and all that. It's in a CRA. Nonprofit. Workers and everything that can be involved all the way up through promotion of it, whatever levels of the business.
Yeah.
To train them up and give them an opportunity to move on in life and to learn and grow and get involved.
That's awesome. So you're doing a good deed and you're having fun at it too.
I'm on the Beverly side of it. My son goes to the University of Arizona with Preston.
Yeah.
Certain Foundation. His mother just passed away with brain cancer last year. So it's been really involved in your family. And so the boy's so professional. He did his speech day and they got a media group pushing for a couple of years here. He said, man, you need to get up there and practice. He said, I didn't go practice. You need to get up there and practice. And he got up and pulled it off, hitchless. I was amazing at the professional level. I told Shannon, when he first did that, I said, you guys are going to want to have to fade to fade.
Yeah.
You can see the strength of these programs. Of course, making wishes behind it. Whoever else is doing it, they've been working on about 3 years. They did a presentation.
Okay, cool. I gotta stop by here, but nice meeting you, and I'll try to stop your booth later on. God bless, man.
God bless you, buddy.
I never seen that car. Well, maybe.
Huh?
How you doing? I'm with the press. Is there anyone here that could maybe talk about your products for me on camera?
Greg Liberty.
Craig? He's the owner? Okay. Hi. I'm with the press, and I was wondering if you could talk about some of your products here. I saw them last year, and I was really intrigued by them. So, yeah. Are you okay with cameras and stuff like that? Or?
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. So, can you tell me what you do then?
Well, we build primarily drag racing vehicles.
Okay.
That's what we're known for.
And they're all, I guess, what you would call sequential shift then?
Not really sequential.
Clutchless or clutchless?
Clutchless.
Okay.
Sequential, you can upshift and downshift. Clutch twist is primarily wide open power start.
Okay. And then your design incorporates what, a main shaft with 2 lace shafts then in the transmissions? Okay. Counter shafts, yeah. So you're getting essentially twice the strength that way then? 2.5. Okay. And
no gear separation, so the gear now stays on center. If you actually look at one of them,
and there's probably less twisting forces too, since they're kind of balanced maybe, or?
these gears in the center actually float in between. So if you look, it's loose in there. It's got about 30 thousandths clearance to the main shaft the way it floats. So it floats between these 2 clusters. So this isn't even touching the main shaft.
Okay.
So it's actually floating. Everything's just free floating in the entire thing.
Yeah.
So the horsepower coming in, since there's no separation, you don't have
Okay, so we're looking at a 5-speed right here then? 5-speed, okay. And can you show me?
We can go a lot thinner on the gears than we do with a single counter shaft style.
Yeah.
We can get this transmission down to 97 pounds in
Yeah.
G-Force has a transmission, I think from what I said, it's about 117 pounds.
Okay, so are these mainly used in pro stock then?
Somewhat, that's what it's designed for.
Yeah.
Now, we have to start getting to where the Liberty, that everyone kind of knows the Liberty transmission is probably very efficient. Then it's the best trans. There's other transmissions that can wait for us longer, say like the transmission.
Yeah. Yeah, and they got those clutch backs that always wear out. Yeah.
So we start hearing about, say, this is probably, this particular one is only really about 1400. But this one here, which is almost identical to it, slightly wider, this is closer to 1900. You step down here, this is an extreme trans. You got slightly wider gears, complete different tube profiles, different materials. You end up about 3,500 horsepower. This is our T-style trans. It's designed for a female input, torque converter driven, and it handles about 4,500 horsepower.
Wow, that's a huge jump.
Yeah.
So you think with that torque converter, that kind of absorbs some of the shock then, and yeah, and that makes it all right.
Except what you would think it absorbs some of the shock, except for the lock converter.
Yeah. Yeah. Really?
1.2 seconds into a run, you lock up that converter, and we leave it locked up for the second, third, fourth, and fifth.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So tell me, we got roller bearings here on the sides. What do you do with the, do you heat treat these? Do you shop peen them? Do you cryo anything like that? Or?
Cryo, the reason they're cryo is because of 9310 material.
Yeah.
9310, you have to use a deep freeze in the question. Anyhow, so instead of it's going to be 120 below, we go up to 300.
Yeah.
Plus, it does make it more stable. Yes, they are shop peen. They get surface enhanced. These lenses might look like showpieces, but this is actually the way the transmissions work coming out of it.
Yeah. Because I've seen a video where, they replace the gears in a matter of like 10 minutes or something like that. They do a swap, and after then they just pour some oil in, and then they're good to go. So it's really easy, comes apart really easily. And now you could take this off with the connected to the engine, correct?
No.
Or no? You have to disconnect it?
You take it out of there, just because you can't really get to everything. And you want
Really?
to put a little dab of silicone in there. Plus, to lift it up, when it's still in the engine, you couldn't take the shafts out. So really,
You can't get the shafts out. Yeah, I got you there. That makes sense. Okay. Yeah.
So we have down on the side, you look underneath here, there are inspection port holes.
Okay.
So if you're opening it just to look at it, you may as well just pull the port hole so you can look up inside.
See if any teeth are broken or anything like that. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we don't break teeth.
No? Doesn't happen? Okay. And you do have a very wide range of ratios available, correct? Yeah. I was looking at the chart last year. It was a little hard to figure it out first because it was like, okay, if you're going with this set, you have this ratios. If you go with this set, Then you get combinations. And then I think there was a some kind of dragster. It was diesel powered, or maybe it was a boat. I don't even know. No, I think it was a 7-speed like Bonneville Salt Flex car. And I'm pretty sure he was using one of your transits, correct? Yeah. Speed Demon? 7-speed, okay, yeah. Yeah. Can you put reverse on these? You can. How does that? Yeah. Okay. Can we take a look at it and you could show me how the shift action works? All right, so this one is all pneumatically or electronically controlled, all solenoids.
We don't actually have a manual shifter to work right now with a 7-speed. We've
Yeah.
never had a request for it. Today was the first request I had for it.
Yeah.
So we will at least look at designing a shifter for it.
Well, I want one, but I can't afford it, so.
Right now it's an ECU. It's got its own standalone ECU.
Yeah.
You can program it with your laptop. Pretty much tell the transmission to do whatever you want it to do. Combination of the time from the time you let go of the clutch or the trans brake button and or RPM. So whatever you want to utilize for it. Pretty simple from there.
Yeah. And then, so this is all billet aluminum here. Is this magnesium?
Magnesium, it's
Okay.
gas mag.
And
Gas mag to me is the way to go. The problem with it is it's expensive by the time I take it.
yeah,
So what we do is we usually do all our prototypes in bill of aluminum.
Yeah.
Once we decide that there is a viable product there and there's a market for it and we will sell enough, then we'll cast them up in mag. Right now, with some issues, I think we've done less than 20 of them combined.
Uh-huh.
There's 3 different styles of the 7-speed. There's the Bonneville that does not have reverse. We use one style here. We have the Extreme. We use a different style here with reverse. And then we also have the T style. So it's kind of hard to cast up 3 different ones just to sell one transmission.
understandable. So the magnesium saves you how much weight approximately?
On the 7-speed, because it's about 15 pounds.
Okay. Yeah. When you're at the cutting edge like that, you know, you want every benefit or every advantage you can get. So yeah, I'll let it. Can you demonstrate it for me once? Go through all 5 gears. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so in a pro stock car, that happens in about 6 seconds or something like that. Yeah. Okay. And then last, what do we got over there?
That is our torque converter driven 3-speed on the back of the torque converter.
Yeah.
With a new rear end that it's basically the drivetrain out of this car.
Oh yeah.
Melvin Slemy's new Radial car.
Okay.
Radial versus the world.
Yeah.
Debuted it last month.
Really?
Won the first event with it.
Nice. You probably brought home 100 G's or so, yeah? No? Okay, and that's not that much in the purse these days? All right.
No, there's pretty good purses out
Yeah?
there.
And I think this gentleman showed me last year, when you let off, does it automatically go to neutral then? Or does it stay in the gear? It goes to neutral. And how does that work? It has to do with these.
You want to go ahead and show them everything?
Yeah.
Mike will take over.
Okay. Thanks for your time, sir. You're the owner, correct? Okay. I talked with your daughter last year, I think, as well. And I asked, what kind of cars does your dad have? And she goes, well, he's got a lot of projects. So it seems like you got a lot of stuff that you're working on, yeah? Gotcha. Hey, good talking to you. LibertyTransmissions.com, right? Liberty Gear? Okay, yeah. Liberty Gears. So yeah, show me how this works then when you go through the 5 speeds.
So you're in first gear here.
Yeah.
Go along, you shift into second,
Uh-huh.
and you'll see the space take up, and this one will take off. And when it goes, it kick itself out of the previous gear.
Okay.
So then when you let off the gas, same thing, it just wants to kick itself to neutral.
Okay. So that saves a few milliseconds each time, correct then? Yeah. Okay.
Lots of power. You
Yeah.
don't have to let off to shift. Nothing like that.
Okay. Let's take a look at that one over there with the torque converter. Seems like that's gathering a crowd. So maybe that's like the holy grail of your booth. So advantage of the torque converter and the manual transmission is what? Yeah. Okay.
All these right gears to pick from to choose.
Yeah.
Your gear ratios.
Okay. And the torque converter, also absorbs some of the shock, right? So you're protecting your your internals a little more. And then this is just a demo because this is like a midget. This doesn't go in a real car, right? You're just
This is a
Oh yeah.
full. This whole setup is in this car.
Oh yeah. Oh, this small though with that sort of drive shaft.
Maybe not.
Maybe not. Okay. Yeah. But so yeah, this is a different company that makes these. I've seen them here at the show. All billet rear end, saves 20 pounds. Got these carbon brakes on it and stuff like that. So okay. Thanks for your time, man. Nice meeting you. Hope to see you again next year. Take a look at this real quickly here. Any chance we could open the door? Yeah. So here's what what do you call this again? A radial drag car?
Radial versus the world.
Radial versus the world. And these guys race on a prep surface or non-prepped? They race on a prep surface, correct?
Correct.
Yeah, okay. Neat stuff. It's got these awesome looking zoomies that are all TIG welded together. Really nice fab work, whoever built this. Does this have a Hemi or a 481X? Do you know? Hemi. It's a Hemi. Okay, cool. Any idea how much power he's making? Over 2,000, right? Yeah. Yeah, a lot. That cowl, man, must be hard to see out of this.
You got that right.
Hughes Performance. Is that David Hughes? Mopars? No?
That's
Okay.
the engine company. We're a transmission and converter manufacturer.
Gotcha. Okay.
We get confused all the time.
Yeah. But the owner of that company is a really good dude. So that's why I approached you and asked you. So yeah, he shares his knowledge and passions.
Yeah.
A small booth, but man, they got a lot of stuff and a lot of people too. I have to go around this way.
It's a home run there. It's not driving.
Got an RB motor here, billet block, factory cylinder head. This looks like a GTR block. I think we got a super block here with a water jacket. Man, you got all these people and all this cool stuff, but such a small booth, man.
Yeah, last year we had a bigger booth.
Yeah.
My clearly, but I don't know what happened.
Really?
I got to show up with crates in the trailer. Last year was too cold.
A couple of years ago, we had snow.
I saw Stevie yesterday. I'm talking to my viewers. Any chance you'd want to tell me about some of these products here and with the media?
Well, latest thing has the full billet TB48.
Okay, this is a 2JZ block or what?
It's a Nissan Patrol TB48.
Okay, is that wasn't like the Land Cruisers or not the Land Cruisers? The
Patrol.
Patrol.
The Nissan's version of the Land Cruiser.
Nissan. Okay.
So it's real popular in the Middle East.
So is that like essentially a bigger version of a Skyline motor then?
Basically, yeah, just a scaled up version. It's a
Yeah.
4.8 liter from the factory.
So it's larger bore or just stroke or both? Okay. And this has a water jacket?
No, this one is a
Oh.
full drag box. So it's
Yeah.
high boost, turbo, ethanol.
Okay. How about this one here?
We got two variations of the 2J. We got a Pro Drag,
Yeah.
which has no water in it, and we have the Pro Street, which is virtually a replacement for an OEM block. So we can make them either with water or without water.
Yeah. And this saves probably what, 80 pounds or so?
Oh yeah, this block is 94 pounds. 8 liters.
Yeah. And it's probably stiffer too. And
We've been testing it in real streets. Supra has been 677 at 209.
Yeah.
It also ran drag week.
Really?
He's put about 5,000 miles on it.
No kidding, huh? Okay.
It's definitely a street-bold race motor.
Yeah. Any other modifications you guys did to it? Making it stronger in any way?
Well, I mean, we thickened it up.
Yeah. Okay.
We used the OEM block as a constraint, so it's easy prices are up.
Yeah.
So if a guy been running a million blocks with no problems, put this block in with nothing issues.
Gotcha.
Virtually use everything they have. Back to roll pumps. Things that you're gonna be able to hold this area, but
Oil filter.
you
Yeah.
can run the VVTi head if you want.
Okay.
So it's pretty versatile street type application.
What's the cost? Over 10? Yeah. Oh, so you don't sell them directly? You sell them through? Oh, okay. And how about this? Nissan GTR?
Well, that was a VQ. For a
VQ?
350Z.
Oh, okay.
We were actually running those blocks in our race car. It's a factory block. Built like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
We're very thinking of factory. So we had to make our own. It's like you get it. Yeah, you get it.
Okay. And you got just a factory cast block down there then?
Yeah,
It's
just
been
an example of
rebored or
some of the
something?
machine work we do.
Yeah. Okay.
We're able to see like threaded freeze plugs. I guess that's our block as a factory push-in. These are threaded, so they don't
Okay.
pop out at high boost.
That's cool.
You end up blowing a head gasket.
Yeah, that's not good.
And we thread it, so the maintenance of these is really easy. Or these normally come with pipe plugs. We actually machine it for an O-ring threaded plug.
Yeah.
So when you're doing maintenance, it's a lot easier.
So no need for what's that? So the Teflon stuff, huh?
No Teflon, nothing. It has
Yeah.
O-ring in it.
Okay. And down here, what do we got?
Well, that's the motor out of our S15.
Okay.
That's the, we crashed that car last year, so we're getting it rebuilt. So we pulled
Yeah.
the motor out for display. That right
Okay.
there makes about 2,000 horsepower.
Wow. What turbo is that? It's over 100 millimeters?
No, it's an 88. It's
88,
a,
huh? Okay.
It's a Precision XPR 88.
Yeah.
Put about 90 pounds of boost in it.
Right.
Makes over 2,000. It's been 622 at 229.
Yeah. Any aspiration to build a billet cylinder head?
I mean, we did for the SR.
Yeah, for that one.
Yeah, we're looking at
Oh, you're looking at that? Okay.
Yeah, just having rocker shafts in it is a little bit of a challenge for us since we don't have the machinery to machine for rocker shafts yet.
Yeah. Do you have the capability to make a water-cooled cylinder head? Billet
Well,
cylinder head?
the issues with that is you have cavities inside the head. For water,
Yeah.
And we're limited by where the tools come in.
Yeah.
You can't construct cavities inside.
Unless you welded it later on, or unless you made a two-piece. Yeah, there's no really good way to do that. Maybe 3D printing eventually, but because it's got some porosity in it, I hear. So okay. Yeah. What kind of CNC equipment are you using to make these? Yeah. Oh, Mazak? 'Cause your company, Maze Works, it just sounds like Mazak to me. So. Okay. All right, man. Thanks for talking to me. Hope you sell a bunch of these. And yeah, where can people find your stuff then? MazakWorks.com, huh? Or MazeWorks. Sorry, I keep saying that. Yeah. Okay. Cool. One of the industry leaders in import billet blocks. So. Sorry if anyone's watching. I just gotta change my battery. Howdy. No, you're fine. I'm changing my battery. That's all. I'm not filming anything. You're a handsome man, though, man. I don't know.
Way to adapt to your transmission.
Yeah. You in trouble with the mob or something like that? You know. Yeah. You owe some people money. I'm gonna blackmail you now. All right. So what do you do? Here, let me hold on. Is it okay if I film you then or not? Is it okay if I film you? Yeah. All right. So yeah, what do you guys do here? Okay. What alloys? Okay, this is the cutting edge, high end stuff. Yeah, this comes only out of California, I think, right? The 2290. Yeah. Yeah. Really. Do you know anything about like what alloys are in there? I think it's copper and magnesium elements. Yeah. High copper. Yeah. Because from what I heard, it's essentially the strength of the 7000 series stuff, but you have the ability to weld. Yeah, so when things break or...
Talking about, pro mods and spending money and whatever.
Really? It doesn't, okay. Yeah. So that... Really? So the typical stuff that most of these billet guys are using is 6061, right? Yeah. And, well, just any, I'm talking like, people that are making, I don't know, underdrive pulleys or shift knobs. That's the common one that people buy. And so how much stronger would you say that, it's hard to, stronger, it's hard to measure, but how much tensile strength or, Yeah. Really? Yeah. And over time, do you have to worry about it yielding and yeah.
It's been like
Right. Yeah. Really? Because I know, like, the reason that, aluminum rods aren't used on the street is over time they stretch. What characteristic is that does that? I think it's just fatigue. Fatigue. So with this material, the 22, 16, or 19, whatever, does that fatigue like that over time or no?
Well, we didn't get
It would. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, is this relatively new alloy then? Really? Okay.
Pre-Easter is...
Yeah, is it? Okay. Yeah. Right. Okay, so you're just showing here some stuff your customers have done? Okay. So the necks, I guess what you call this, on this intercooler here,
this is
precision made and
bar stock.
Yeah, normally it's just aluminum tube that goes in here. So with this, you're able to optimize the airflow better like that with a CNC one. And
This is fabricated.
this is fabricated. Okay, I see. And then what's this? The plate for a scooter or something like that? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. How about that eagle? That looks pretty cool. How many hours did this take to make? Any idea? Oh, I mean, any idea how many hours were put into this one? Yeah.
They made a big one that was much larger, and that one was some days.
Yeah. You ever heard of, what's his name? He runs a CNC school. He's a popular YouTuber. He's like this big looking military type guy about your height. And he's famous for going boom or whatever.
Yeah, I'm not trying to take sheep or no customers.
Well, you know what I'm talking about, yeah. But he made a big eagle like that too. I saw it at a trade show and a chest set and some other things. So. Yeah, I know, all right. Yeah, I'm gonna think of it too. Yeah. Turrentine. I don't know. Anyhow, so where do people go then to buy aluminum raw stock from you? Yeah, so I mean, do you have a website then where you sell this, or? Aluminum? Okay, and you could buy it, big enough stock to make a big block then, right? Yeah. For a tractor pull guy or something, or? Septic tank. Wow. Wow. So they drilled the whole thing out of this, or they made a mold? You mean? Ah, I understand now. Okay. Yeah. I was gonna say a septic tank is not really something that needs high tech materials, but for the manufacturing of it. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Thanks for talking to me, guys. Take care. You a Hillary Clinton supporter? I know. I'm just kidding. I know. I'm just giving you guys shit. Yeah. Yeah, you too.
Yes, there's a furnace out back. What you see on the front, that's an exhaust fan. Yes.
Big ass Pro Charger on here. Kind of weird. You don't see these style of dragsters, whatever you call them, the rail sand. I don't even know what. But yeah, you normally see these with roots type blowers on them. So. Howdy. Good. Can I talk to you guys? Okay. So this is green sand casting?
Oh, it is. This is all 3D printed sand.
3D printed. Okay.
And use 3D printed sand to then have casting produced.
Yeah. Okay. So it just injects sand and a binder at the same time then?
Oh, what it does is it's kind of like watching an inkjet printer run. It lays a layer of sand.
Yeah.
And then it shoots out binder, just like your inkjet printer would.
Yeah, like I'll spray it. Yeah, yeah.
It sprays it, and wherever it hits, it gets hard.
Okay. Gets hard, huh? Yeah. Okay. So this is just mini stuff you're showing, right?
Yeah, we're just showing the technology.
Nah, I mean, I think it'd be cool to have a motorcycle with a miniature V8 in it like this, you know?
We keep being told we should get them and produce them for the for the youth drag racing.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So then, I mean, is this made exactly like this, or is this still assembled?
This is just assembled.
Oh, it's assembled. Okay.
A whole bunch of pieces.
Yeah. So after that's all made, you pour the aluminum in there, and then you hit it with a hammer, and not hit it. You don't hit it with a hammer, but you vibrate it or something like that.
You got it.
On the sand, all comes out the freeze plugs, then, right? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So right here is the resulting casting.
Yeah.
It's right there, the freeze plugs and the water jackets in there. Everything's there. So this is just like it's we'll call it the Big Daddy.
Yeah.
This is just a half scale lock. Every feature's there.
Okay. A mold for an engine like that.
If you want to do a mold,
Yeah.
nothing else, kind of bad engineering, things like that, you probably cost $6,000 just for this.
Yeah.
So that's if you've designed all the design work, you figured out all the gating and design the cores, so that doesn't cost.
But I mean, just to make one, every time you make a block to make this right here, it costs $6,000.
No, full size block to make a block to have the entire mold.
Yeah.
We quoted one a while back for somebody, and it was about $6,000 for the back.
Oh, okay.
But that was to have a block made with no tooling.
Yeah. So what I'm saying though is every time you're going to pour a casting, you have to use one of these that's disposable.
Correct.
What are these disposable? What's it going to cost the material to make this?
It depends on the size. So, like for us, I got some small molds over there. Here it'd be easier.
Yeah.
For a small mold like this, it makes that little guy there. We're talking about $10.
Okay. So for a standard small block Chevy or something like that, what do you think it would cost? You don't know? Okay, it's inexpensive though. Well,
inexpensive is relative.
Relative, yeah.
I mean, it's going to be inexpensive.
A couple $100 or yeah.
You probably have a few $100s in cores.
Yeah.
You may have $1,000 because you don't have to go bigger, but you're also having a casting produced that no one else has ever done, and you're doing it without tooling.
Yeah.
So that's the trade-off. So, like, if you wanted to have a small block made that no one else has ever made before,
right?
You may have $50,000 in tooling to make one casting.
Okay.
Whereas we can do this for a fraction of the cost.
Yeah.
If you're going to have 100 of them or 1,000 of them made, that's where the tooling's more cost effective than this.
Gotcha.
So if you're prototyping or low volume, that's where this really makes sense.
I understand now. Yeah, you're not selling to the OEMs. You're selling to the people that want to do one-off stuff. Or
Yeah, we're selling to the OEMs.
Oh, you're selling to them too?
Yeah,
Okay.
we prototype for them. There's,
Really?
If you walk
Wow.
through here, you'll see a block that was made that we printed the mold for.
Can you tell me the name of that block?
They may have a blue logo.
Yeah. Okay. Newer stuff. Is it named after an animal? The engine?
Yeah, it could be.
Could be. Okay.
And there's actually a couple other places here that have some of our product that we're doing.
Yeah.
We do some low volume aftermarket stuff. We do work sometimes directly and most of the time indirectly with OEMs for their prototype or experimental projects.
So what's the other method of manufacturing engine blocks then through casting? Instead of the sand molds, do they use is die casting possible or not?
Well, there are some, like Subaru does a die cast in the block, I believe. A lot of them still sand cast, but they're all sand mold and the sand floors are made with tooling, where ours were 3D printing.
Okay.
So it's the same but different.
Yeah. So after you print that, do you still need to do some final machining or no?
Well, we're printing the cores and they're going to cast it. Yeah, you set up the final machining of the casting.
Yeah.
Do all that work to it. So this is a raw casting, no different than.
Okay, so you're leaving a little extra material on there then.
So you got machine stuff there.
Gotcha. Okay. All right. Well, I think I asked you guys all the questions I could think of. So thank you for your time.
Anytime. Thanks.
Where do people go to reach out to you if they wanna do business with you? You got a website or?
HoosierPattern.com.
HoosierPattern.com right here. Okay. Hoosiers. All right. You went to Indiana University? No, you just from Indiana or?
No, the owner
Okay.
came up with it. We're in Indiana, so you know.
Gotcha. Okay. Nice talking with you guys.
Yeah, you too.
Take care. Cool looking toolboxes here. I talked to these guys yesterday. What we got here is a Formula One disc brake made out of carbon. This is about the most advanced material you can get right now for brakes, and they also do the clutch assemblies. Multi-clutches. And one more thing I wanted to show you guys from this booth. They make the calipers for Bugatti. This cost about $50,000 to make this. 8 pistons, I think. 6 pistons. Wait, 8 piston for the front, 6 for the back. Crazy. I think that's a Stig over there. Oh, never mind, it's Mannequin. Sprint car.
If that were to surface, we'd be able to.
I see Texas Speed and Performance. I know they're around here somewhere. Wagler. This guy is going to be a huge name in performance in the coming years. He already is, I should say, but I'm gonna come and talk to them at some point. It's a lot of weight right there.
Out the front here to the right.
Sorry. Boosted go. Hey, thanks, Manny. I appreciate it. Hey, let me know what you guys want to see. I'm happy to go to any booth and talk with anybody. I want to bring the show to you guys. Oh, that's kind of weird. Look at this guy. He's got 40 pounds of ballast here on this side. I guess the engine wants to torque really hard. That's a gigantic turbocharger. Oh my god. It's bigger than my head. Can't really even see it. I mean, it's got the diaper blanket heat thing on it, but it's very well maybe one of the biggest turbochargers I've seen in my life. Eric Bane. Oh, yeah, this is the guy from Street Outlaws. He had the Mustang.
My dad was looking at the.
I haven't watched Street Outlaws in a while. Has this guy been a good performer? One of the heavy hitters?
I'll try. Stay away from fences.
It's Jeff Lutz's car. I've met this guy a few times, and he's kind of a jerk, to be honest. Let's go say hi to him and see if he has anything nice to say. Not to discredit him, you know, he's an awesome fabricator, awesome racer. He's just not a people person.
Look at that, you get some news for the Jeep. I don't understand the concept of the good doctors. I'm like wondering. I was like, are they just trying to make the cars docile? Because like literally, it like. Because I remember being like drifting in.
Oh yeah, the fruit that you. What's up, guys?
How we doing, gents?
He usually walks up to me and. How are you, man?
Pretty good. So when are you gonna get the new car posters made, man? This last year's car.
Probably right after.
Yeah.
Honestly, I couldn't have taken that picture until we got through.
Really? That was the first time you had it all together, all painted and everything like that? Okay. Thanks a lot, Jeff Lutz.
What's up, buddy?
So how's the Murder Nova doing?
I mean, that's like a day-to-day type question.
Day to day, yeah?
But last time I had it out, it was good.
Yeah? All right,
That
good
don't
to
mean
hear.
nothing. I don't mean nothing because I've seen Dave's car break
the valve spring's just sitting there.
Really?
Yeah, so, you know, you never know.
Daddy Dave?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
All the
yeah.
time.
I love watching him on the.
Springs it right now.
Yeah. Hey, that car's always blowing up, but he's still winning races though. So I don't know what his secret is.
I always laugh at him, too.
Take care. Nice seeing you.
Take care.
All right, let's check out this Porsche. Baja 911. Air cooled. I don't know. Any Porsche experts here want to tell me what year this is? 986 maybe is, or is it a 993? I don't know.
What's the concern though as far as?
Whose car is this?
TJ Russell. He's walking around.
Okay. Any chance you could open the hood for me?
I'm not going to touch it.
I understand. Okay. Yeah. All right. Well, hopefully I see him here, so he could tell me a little bit about it. I'm with the media, so. Okay. What exactly do you guys do?
We're a UV stable rust inhibiting coating that's weldable. So
Yeah.
chassis on this car, the tub and everything is done with our coating.
Oh yeah. You got some samples of what it looks like?
Yeah, absolutely. On
Yeah.
the car, like the front bumper and everything.
I don't think I've ever heard of anything like that. I've always heard you gotta scrape everything off when you weld. Yeah. Okay. That's the bear.
So the gray is pigmented 100% using stainless steel microflake.
Yeah.
There's no color additive there.
Uh-huh.
The 316 allows you to take right straight through the coating.
Okay. And then after you weld it, is there any problem with the heat that got put into it, or no? You don't have to. You don't have to recoat.
Well, you reintroduce new metal.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Well, that's a very cool product. Like I said, I've never heard of anything like that. So how much is a quart and a gallon of this stuff sell for?
So we go through distributors.
Yeah.
A gallon covers about 130 square feet. That's with waste factored in.
Okay.
It's about $180 a gallon depending on where you get it.
Yeah.
And quarts around 40 to 50.
Yeah.
And then it also comes in aerosol, and it blends perfectly, so it doesn't matter if you 50% of carbon aerosol, 50% of liquid. Either way, it's going to come out the same.
Okay. Now you just sell to consumers, or have you tried with the OEMs or anything like that? Any big companies?
We're in like SpaceX.
Wow.
That use it for industrial applications, facilities. I don't know if we want to have OEMs.
Yeah.
Going after like it in.
Well, if SpaceX is using this in NASA, then I know it's a good product. So next time I need some rust inhibitor, I'll come to you guys. Thanks. It's a sweet poster too. I kind of want one, but I'm trying not to carry stuff, so I'll come back later and get one. Yeah.
So ideally, hearing in use. Yeah. Yeah, black and
Our truck. Lamborghini. Wow, this is a Lamborghini race car. Rock you like a hurricane.
So you guys helped us out a ton.
Sorry. It's your car? I saw you had the...
We prepare all the electronic parts for the car.
Yeah? Okay. You're from Italy then?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. I was in Rome and Naples 2 years ago. So yeah. I liked it there a lot. So yeah. Any chance you could open the door maybe, or
No.
you don't want to touch? Yeah, this is $1 million. I understand. So all right. Thanks for bringing it here. And what are these guys doing? They're playing. They're driving the Lamborghini on the video game.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Fun. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Arrivederci. How do you say bye? Arrivederci?
Arrivederci.
Arrivederci. Okay. See you. It's a nice thing to do to a 55-gallon drum when you're done with it.
Look at him.
And everyone's crazy about these driving simulators here. This is the first time I've seen them at the trade show. I got a friend that's got a setup like that, only a single monitor, iRacing, and it's fun. It's fun. Can't shift gears. Toyota NASCAR. Well, here's a recognizable car. Leroy the Savage. Driven by YouTube personality Cletus McFarland. I've actually seen this guy race. He put down some pretty good numbers, but I don't think he set the record. It was at LS Fest East. I think he got down to like 8:02. But I know the fastest he's gone is high sevens, I believe. It's crazy. This is just a C5 Corvette chassis. Big roll cage welded around it. Texas Speed and Performance LS motor. 2 huge turbos. Yeah, thanks for pointing that out. He was the first stick shift car in the sevens. Who's the other guy that's about as fast as him? His is a Z06, I think. How long you been trying to get a picture for? Want me to hold the audience back?
Oh, no, you're good.
Yeah? Okay.
Just a couple of minutes.
Yeah.
You know how it goes.
Yeah, I know, yeah. Well, let's go check out the booth. See if Cletus is going to show up here. Cletus is awesome, you know. I always thought when I was watching his YouTube channel, he was like, you know, putting on an act and stuff like that, and he's funny. But when I saw him in real life, he's just a hilarious guy, you know. God bless him. Howdy.
How's it going?
Pretty good. I'm filming for my YouTube channel. Any chance you or someone else would want to talk about some of your products here?
Yeah, what would you like?
I'd like to know about everything. You guys primarily do LS stuff, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And do you guys make your own cylinder heads?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're fully cast and machined in the U.S. and everything.
Yeah, okay.
Fully U.S. product from start to finish. We do all the machine work in-house.
Yeah, so LS1 through LS9 probably, and have you ventured in the LT stuff as well?
Yeah, this right here is our new LT casting. So,
Oh, yeah?
So this is fully finished. They're just coming out right now. So, you know, we've designed this casting and everything. I like the little American flag touch.
Dude, that is sweet. Yeah, that Cletus would appreciate that, man.
Yeah, for sure. But yeah, so this is the full CNC version, of course. we CNC port the factory heads as well.
Okay.
This is our first aftermarket casting here.
All right. So what have you done to it? Just, I mean, this aftermarket one, is guys got raised ports or just bigger ports,
Yeah,
bigger valves?
ports, thicker deck surface, stuff like that. Usually we do a little denser aluminum material so they hold up a little better to boost and stuff like this.
Okay.
We have these on a few cars right now, testing them on our. We have one on our head scam 6th-gen race car that we've been running.
Yeah, the white Camaro?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. How was that LS Fest when I saw it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is the driver here by chance?
Yeah, he is.
He is, okay. All right. I don't need to talk to him.
Yeah,
Yeah. Who is he though?
Jason Mangum, one of the owners.
Yeah. Okay.
Drives that.
So that's your personal shop car then, right? Or Texas
that-
Speeds
we have that one. We have 2 5th gens, a 4th gen, and.
Is there a vet too? Or?
No, we don't have a vet.
Okay.
We've done vet stuff in the past for sure, but we don't have any vets currently.
Yeah.
This
Okay.
one here is the first of our vintage series lineup. So LS engine, we got the LS7 PRC heads on it and everything with the old school look. So you got the valve covers, no real adapters here. These just bolt straight on, so it keeps them shorter. I really like this setup.
Okay. You could tell the valve covers are bigger than the head, right?
Yeah,
They
exactly.
stretch a little bit. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. So they are a little bigger.
And then it's got fuel injection with a fake carburetor, like a fake.
Yeah, so it's underneath here is an electric throttle body and everything.
Yeah.
The back here, you come around. So it's basically a fake distributor.
Yeah,
you hide the coils somewhere and you run all the wires up through it, so it still gets used to go to the plugs, but it's just for looks.
You don't got to worry about the points and the electronic whatever and this, what do you call this? The solder, whatever. The solder. No, that's
yeah, I'm not sure.
I forget, but I know that those things burn up because I had one on my had a Johnson boat motor on my boat and it blew out too.
Yeah, for sure. So this is actually a little breather. So you'd hook this to the valve cover right here, and it helps breathe, and then it drains any oil back into the valve.
Oh, okay.
Right there, so
yeah.
It is a little functional piece.
So how much horsepower is this LS I'm going to make? All decked out like that.
You make 600 horse package.
600 horse, so it's mild up. Well, it's a significant upgrade, but I'm sure you can go even a lot more radical than this with
bigger cam, stuff like that.
With 427.
We kind of kept it mild because a lot of the people, running a package like this are putting it in an old school build that they want to run perfect.
They want it to drive on the
they
street. They're not racing. Yeah, you're not gonna race an engine that looks like that. You don't. Yeah. So I didn't really. Now, do all the LT engines have the 5 bolts per cylinder head or whatever?
Oh, like
five studs? Yeah, 6 bolt, whatever you call it. Yeah.
This is just our aftermarket casting, so this would be a factory one right here from GM.
Okay, so that's it's not really going to have a benefit. You have the thicker deck and whatever, right?
Yeah, thicker deck.
But unless you have an aftermarket block.
Yeah, aftermarket block is there. Or you weld the ears on. Yeah.
And I don't think GM Performance has made they have the LSX 454 whatever. I don't think they've made one for the LT yet.
There is one 6-bolt LT block somewhere here I've heard of. I haven't seen it myself yet, but there is one here.
One manufacturer. Okay, so
it's an aftermarket billet block and stuff. So it's all.
Yeah. So you've already kind of future-proofed yourself.
Yeah, exactly.
So
exactly. They'll be coming around.
They'll be coming around. Yeah.
Exactly.
And it's the same. Are these LT same bolt pattern as LS?
Oh no.
Oh, it's not.
It is a little different.
It is different.
Yeah, you couldn't bolt one on. It's hard to tell the difference in the blocks, but there is definitely a difference.
Yeah. So I mean, how'd you know then where to put these 6 bolts? I mean, if you were to put it on that guy's block, would it match?
It's just it's all just judged off of the LS and where centered in the chamber and everything like that. It's exactly how they would do it.
Yeah. Okay.
So the direct injector you can see there.
Yeah. So with the direct injection, then is that a problem? To raise horsepower, or do you max these out? Do you need to buy new injectors?
Or sometimes you do. It just depends on if you have an LT1 or LT4. They're a little different.
Yeah.
There are some aftermarket options available.
There is.
They're pretty pricey.
Yeah.
We have one guy that's making $11.50 at the tires with the factory LT4 injector. So they'll definitely put up some good power.
Yeah, because I forget who it is. I don't know if it's GM or Ford or maybe both, but I know that they have like the dual hybrid where it's port and direct.
Port and direct injection.
Yeah. So that kind of seems like the both best worlds, because if you go direct injection, you got to worry about the valves getting dirty, the exhaust valve.
Yeah, I'm not sure about that exactly on these setups.
Okay, that's just something I've heard. A problem with direct injection is over time you just gradually lose horsepower until you clean it.
Yeah.
So yeah. Okay. Anything else that's spanking new or anything like that?
So we got over here. We got our new adjustable LT rockers. So these are for the LT as well. If you want to go with like a solid roller setup,
Yeah.
you got these available.
So when you say adjustable, you adjust the ratio or just adjust like
Yeah,
the position?
for getting the lash set up. On
Getting the
solid
lash.
roller.
Okay. Yeah.
And then we also have non-adjustable ones for somebody trying to run. So these are steel construction, but really lightweight over the nose. These are something we designed in-house a couple years ago for the LS.
All right.
They're only a couple grams heavier over the nose. We've tested these things to like 10,000 RPM on a Swintron, and they've never had any valve floyd issues or anything like that with them. They really work well.
Okay. How about this? These pink things. What are these?
Yeah, so these are for changing the valve strings.
Oh yeah.
So you bolt it on.
Oh, nice. Instead of the huge clamp thing. Yeah.
You're really stressing the threads.
Yeah.
With one of those because you're using the threads to push the spring pressure down. Whereas with this, you bolt it down and then use it. So you got the full bolt threaded into the head.
Yeah.
You're not stressing the head.
So how do you get the leverage on here then? Or is there a tool you put in here? Oh, okay, just any 3/8 inch ratchet. Okay. That's really cool. Yeah. These camshafts all hollow then, right? Save some weight.
Yeah, exactly.
Is this copper on here or is this, I don't know.
This is a different
Where-
core. These are a harder core. Usually for a solid roller type setup as well.
Right.
And then these are our new billet valve covers. So we kind of updated them a little bit with a new baffling here. So that was an issue. A lot of the big turbo guys are pushing oil, and they just have to drain the catch can a lot and stuff like that. So this one we designed a little different. I'll show you with the baffle on it here. So here you can see with the plate. So it has to, the oil can't just get out all easy. It's got to go through and around.
So a lot of R&D and feedback has gone into these then. That's awesome. You guys, you're giving the customers what they want,
About 17 years of experience.
17 years, huh? Okay.
One of our re-sleeve blocks here. So this would be the factory sleeve.
Yeah.
This is when we've cut the sleeve out. This is the new hardened sleeve inserted, and then this is bored and honed, finished out and everything. So it kind of shows the steps.
Yeah. Okay. So how much? What bore size can you go to? 4.125 or can you 4.250 or?
I'm not sure the max bore size. I know we did
Yeah.
468. And
Really?
So it had a little extra stroke and stuff as well.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I don't know exactly.
Yeah. Okay, but yeah, you could definitely gain a significant amount of cubes
A
still.
lot of 427s like this. We have one guy at the shop that's got a 427 that makes 1,600 tires.
Really?
He's been doing it for about 2 years.
Yeah.
97 in the quarter.
That's what I've heard. I want to buy a Z06, C6 Z06 with the LS7 in it, and I hear that the cylinder walls aren't exactly the best. If you throw a little nitrous at it, they're gonna crack.
Yeah.
So.
I always tell people when they're really trying to go hard with an LS7 car,
Yeah.
sell the LS7 because
Really?
you spend a bunch of money and buy something like this. You know what I mean? Because the block is the limitation, the heads have issues. If it's completely stock.
Yeah.
So it's just best off to, if you're really going for big power, to build another engine.
So just start off with like a LS3 or one of your blocks, you mean, or?
These re-sleeves are the bomb, man. They're so lightweight, and they just put up with tons of power. I mean, we've never seen one of these blocks fail. They put up with, like I said, 1,600 tire. One of the guys at the shop for huge amounts of time. The block's amazing. Cletus, of course, he set the first record when he went sevens. It was running one of these blocks.
Yeah.
Now he's got one of our LSXs in it, but originally it was one of these re-sleeves.
Yeah. What's his power combo?
Yeah, so right now he's got an LSX 427 in there, and he's putting down about 1,600, I'm sure, on kill. I don't know exactly, what he runs on for boost all the time. But yeah, he's definitely capable. That engine's easily capable of 1,700 tires.
Yeah. So show me everything, all your components that are on there then. Block, heads, valve covers.
The whole engine. It's got our billet I-beam rods in it.
Oh yeah?
It's got one of our billet cranks. It's got some of our pistons that we work with other companies on developing. Our PRC 247 heads that are HIP treated, so it's a denser material, fully CNC'd. Everything. These are cathedral heads. He prefers run cathedral on this. So it's got our roller rockers. I mean, from bottom to top, everything's our engine, our parts on that engine.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, I was at LS Fest a couple months ago, and I saw him run like 802. He was trying to get into sevens. And, I couldn't do it that particular time. What his fastest time has been so far?
770. He just
770. Okay, I think 789 was his previous record. 770.
I'm not exactly sure on that.
Well, you're a very knowledgeable man. You know everything about these engines. So great talking to you. I got a friend who he's got let's see, I don't even know what his combo is. He had a Magic Stick 3 cam in it, but he switched to something else. But he's using Texas Speed heads though.
Okay.
So I'd have to ask him, but he loves your company, and yeah. So anyhow, great talking to you, man. Yeah. You too. Oh man, I gotta get one of these bags. That's America right there, boys. Oh, did you grab those?
I did. I thought someone left
Yeah,
them, so
yeah. No, I was
wasn't
just doing
sure.
some filming, but they're over there
Oh, no,
right now.
I want to keep them. I just wanted to grab them and put them somewhere.
Oh,
so someone
gotcha.
else
Oh, you're
can
with the
steal
booth. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Hey, appreciate it. You're looking out for me then. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, carbon fiber barrel rim. Look at that. Nice looking manifolds.
Yeah, he's right there. Excuse me, I get a picture.
Haha. Yeah, what was the old name for this car? The slut? Because it had parts from everyone else's stuff, so it was everyone's, you know.
It actually was a bunch of tracks. Hey, body's still original. What? Body's still original.
I don't know.
Factory floor, factory firewall, factory body mount, all of it. The only one here. All the rest of the it's insulting. This is the only car left.
I saw it 2 years ago, and you had a piece of tape on it that said "Real Steel Race Car" on it.
Still rust holes in the factory, all that stuff. It's all there.
When did you switch to a Hemi motor? Okay. Yeah, I was not aware of that. All right. It's BAE or red? Yeah. Okay. It makes more horsepower than your previous setup then, huh? Yeah. Really? 4,000, huh? Man, I remember Reaper was telling me he had 4,000 was too much, so we went with the smaller motor. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Huh. Yeah.
It is what it is. If you're nuts with all your money. Like, no one should ever do this car, but you guys want to, you can go look at my car.
Any other mods you've done to it in the recent past?
Into a strut.
The strut, huh?
I finally went to away from the front factory suspension into a strut.
Yeah.
They chopped the frame rail here and then retubed the front.
Okay.
I couldn't get the pan and stuff off. Lost 400 pounds there. No. No? Is it weird? 34 days, 3050. So like Larson, fast car at CKB, he's 350 pounds lighter than me by November 2012. He flew 2,700 pounds, I got to be 350. I got twins and a billet motor. Wow. I wish they'd make something in the rules for getting a modified full car.
Shouldn't they all do the same way? Period.
It would be cool. If the no-cut factory all were like their brand new tracks, it would eliminate all that bullshit.
We're going to venues that whole 35 people at senior racetrack, and you can't scrape them down because we run field cars and stuff all year. Yeah, but they can those are some outlaw tracks and stuff. Stuff. This part. They can't set their cars down enough. Right. And you get the cars that light, they don't stay down. You bounce it and have to stay low a little bit. Don't let them probably heavy and stay. I think 50, 600 pounds, I think, or something. All that. All that.
You're going to run something up this year?
I did last year. In the last 4 races. Oh, did you? I kept breaking it. I'd get there on Thursday, set up, and Friday we'd test and make the brake pads. I kept up and down. So now I'm just kind of like a dumbass all the way.
So when you originally built this thing with the turbos, is it because you wanted to keep the exhaust coming out the side then, like how Flip had it?
I've wanted turbo stuff almost since I was 16, 17. I was trying to go turbo back then.
Yeah.
Everything I've ever owned has been nitrous. I actually like nitrous. But, I mean, nitrous cars let you get big motors and big heads and big money.
Yeah.
It's good for cool extra. Racing guys that have turbos and blowers, down 20 mile an hour.
Yeah.
So I started kind of working that direction. Reliable power, even though I broke it one of my nitrous cars tenfold.
Yeah.
One time I broke the nitrous cars and I got mad and hit the button. So I originally got and saw him on one kit when I hit the button, all of it came on, I'd nuke it. But that was like a conscious choice. I wasn't nitrous fault. I was like, oh yeah,
What's the displacement on here?
I want to say the exact number, but I'll take a guess and I'll tell you up or down how far off it is. It looks huge.
Around 500?
427. 468.
468, okay. Yeah,
No crankshaft. It was 3700.
I was talking to Dominator yesterday. I said, when you go on Hemi, he said it's finally happening. And, I feel like he should have been the first guy to put a Hemi because he's driving a Dodge, but hey, whatever, Yeah, he's got another street car. I think it's a Charger, a Roadrunner or something like that. And he likes his Mopars, so. It's a. Yeah, the original ones with the tails. Yeah.
I like the 78, 82. I like all G-body stuff. I like A-body cars, G-body cars, and I like all pickups. 53, 75 in WI. Stuff I like.
So what did you have before you got into Street Outlaws? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Huh.
2 weeks too long. I can't track on the cars. The cars are bad. Everyone's got them.
So is this a vacuum pump here? Are these lines coming out of this valve covers, breathers?
This here?
Yeah.
Crankcase evacuation.
Crankcase evacuation. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Low pressure idle, 160, 170 going down the track. So over the course of a run, it'll put 6 seconds force each out there. Yeah.
They use the wheel to cool it, so when I come back down the valley, it goes to the front of the motor. Then we get back down there. And 20 quarts of corn is fun.
Yeah.
That's $20 a quart. It's methanol, so it's like every 6-7 rounds you change the oil thing. But like, if anything goes wrong, it comes up there, it goes through the frame rails. And honestly, there's too many bends. I'm going to put a couple of breather tanks in the front and have this separator so it lets the pressure out and it accumulates the oil.
Oh, so I see it. It's plumbed into here.
Plus, you use to cool the motor down. So after
Yeah.
you pass it through a vacuum on it, cools on the motor, put the vacuum on it, and it out.
Yeah. Okay. It is, isn't it? It's amazing what this car started with and how far it's come, you know. Can I see inside real quick? Oh, that's cool.
Got that door, man.
Thanks.
I don't know where that is. It's supposed to take me to one.
Can I grab that one? Or
Please.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, Bill.
Thanks, man.
Yes, sir.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
What are you doing today?
Awesome name. I think he's got the coolest name out of everybody. Ouch. How's everyone liking the live stream so far? You guys getting your fix of automotive aftermarket performance products? You know whose car this is? It's probably got the name on the side, but I'm too lazy to look. Shit. Fix my glasses.
Probably like 3,500.
Okay, Mark Lutton, yeah. It's got a Hemi. Oh no, what am I saying? It's not a Hemi, it's a mod motor, or a Coyote. It's twin turbos, nicely stacked. That's badass that that guy's using a Ford power plant.
I'm just asking.
Hey there.
Hi, how are you?
I'm pretty good. Can I get an autograph, please? Oh, right here. Okay. Yeah, John, J-O-N.
Having a good show?
I am. I'm enjoying it, yeah. It's my third time here, so thank you very much. Yeah. First time. Okay. You're on Instagram then?
I am.
Okay. I'll tell my viewers to check you out. Thanks a lot. You too. What do you guys think about that girl? The Sin R1. The Bulgarian supercar that will hopefully one day be on the streets in America. Right now it's only used for racing. It's got an LS motor. And it uses a Weddle transaxle. Was it Weddle, or I thought it was Albin's? Weddle, I guess. Okay. There's an Albin's. Beautiful looking Barracuda. Now, people always say that the Mustang was like the original pony car, and I think this thing kind of gives that a run for its money, you know.
You got to kind of figure.
No, 100%. 100%. It'll be.
Similar, different materials, different sizes. What do you want to do for the Christmas?
How about this Superbird here? Alcohol burning, Hemi, big blower on it. And I love that it looks like a stock Superbird. I mean, with the hood on, anyhow. So I see so many of those like '69 Camaros, and they're like, I don't know, they're like stretched and lowered, and they just look disproportional. This thing is very close to factory looking, you know, specs or dimensions.
No, it's officially friends.
Comfy? Podcast here. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. My hands are getting kind of tired, and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna grab myself a bite, and then I'll probably do some more live streaming later on. So be sure to check me out in maybe an hour. Make sure to subscribe, share, like, comment, and all that stuff helps support me, guys. So thanks again for the support and watching.
Oh, yeah, your motor's